Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new, make sure you hit the subscribe button, like, comment, share with a friend. If you are normally on my channel, welcome back. So today I'm gonna be doing a totally different video where I actually have on like lashes and all the other good stuff. I'm not going to be doing a tutorial. If you guys want to check out my makeup tutorial that I recently just did by Draya and Michele, and the one I did about Saweetie, those will be linked below. So let's get into this video. So I'm going to be doing my top 5 favorite. Some are skincare, some are foundations, and some are just makeup and skincare basically. So a lot of you guys come in my comments, you always say, oh my God, your skin is flawless and your skin is so pretty. You have really flawless skin. There is a secret to my flawless skin. So my secret is the Equate skin cream with eucalyptus oil. It's a cleanse, and it says cleanse and refreshes for smooth, soft skin. And I hope my camera can like focus on it, but I actually got this from Walmart, and the brand is called Equate Beauty, and it's comparable to Noxzema. This has eucalyptus oil in it. It smells like menthol to me, but I like the smell of it. Basically, I just apply it to my face every single day, morning and night, twice a day. Once when I get up, once when I go to bed at night, because this is perfect for all skin types. It is perfect for people who just break out, have like red spots everywhere. This Equate Beauty skin cream is. Being that I live here in Vegas, or some of you that may know that I live in Vegas, and by me living in Vegas, I have to really take care of my skin because the heat is so like directly out there. So if you live in Vegas, you already know. And I can't sit like in the sun, I have to have on sunscreen too. So it got to a point I was getting like red spots like all over my face, red bumps all over my face, and I couldn't understand why. What I was using Dove soap. That is a no-no on your face. Never use Dove soap on your face ever. And that was harsh for my skin, and it was drying my skin out to a point that I had like dry patches all over, like all here in my pore area. It was crazy, and it was to a point that my skin, like right here, I could actually like peel. So that's how bad it really was. So I went to Walmart, and I was like, I have to have some kind of, you know, skin regimen or new skin, you know, cream or new skincare line, because I can't be bothered with, you know, my skin breaking out. And it mattered if I drank water, and part of it was my diet too. So yeah, so this stuff is bomb. So I apply it to my face, I leave it on. I know one time I left it on for about 10 minutes. It's up to you if you want to leave it on that long. My personal preference, I leave it on for about 10 minutes on my face, maybe less than that, and I instantly just rinse it off. It's so easy to apply. You just apply it to your face, and then you take your warm towel and you just, you know, douche your face with it and wipe your face with it, and then you just instantly just rinse. This product got rid of my bumps and my red spots within a month. And I like that because it's not too harsh for my skin. It's very soft, it's sensitive, it's for sensitive skin and all skin types. It's not bad or harsh on my skin. It does not dry my skin out. It does not take my skin through all these unnecessary changes. It's very affordable. It's about $5, I believe, at Walmart. It might be a little more, but it's worth it. And this big jar lasted me for about a month. So this is like my favorite, and it does not have any kind of like fragrance in it. The only fragrance you'll get out of this is the eucalyptus oil, which is great for skin too. So I love this stuff. It is my absolute favorite. It's my baby. I literally recently purchased, this is a brand new one, but the one that I like, no, this is not a brand new one. I'm lying, it's not a brand new one. I actually got 2, so that'll last me for 2 months. I mean, that's how good this stuff is. And if you want to purchase it, you just go to walmart.com. You can get it off Amazon, you can get it off Walmart, and you can definitely, I don't know if Walgreens has it, but I know you can get it from Amazon, and you can get it from Walmart. Walmart has it a little bit cheaper, and this is great for my sensitive skin. My next number 2 favorite is foundation. So I've been debating about this foundation. This foundation is actually one of the best next to the Maybelline Fit Me. And this is my Wet n Wild Photo Focus Foundation in the color Caramel. You guys have seen me use this many times in my tutorials. I love this foundation. And the fact that it says Photo Focus, I like this foundation because it does not give any flashback to my photos. So I can literally take a selfie for the gram, for Facebook, and this stuff has no effect. My camera quality has no effect on my foundation, and I just love it. It's like 7 light conditions. It tells you on the back of it how it's supposed to be used, and it eliminates white particle reflection. I don't know if you guys know what that is, but basically after you contour, it doesn't show any of your contour features. Like, it doesn't show like the concealer that you have underneath your on top of your foundation. It doesn't show the contour that you did on top of your foundation. It's just regular bomb foundation, and this foundation is the bomb. It's my baby. I use it for all of my tutorials. You guys know this. The only thing that I don't like about this foundation, even though it is my favorite, is the smell. It smells like ink, but it's worth it, and it's buildable. So it's medium to full coverage. So I can use about maybe, because this is how it comes. It comes just like this, where it's got that little, this here. And I could like apply about maybe 3 to 4 coats on my face or more, and it's never too much. So it's very lightweight. It's not cakey, and I like that too. So yeah, this is my favorite by Wet n Wild. I think this is the bomb, and this is the best one they ever came out with. It's just bomb. I really, really, really love this foundation because it helps, especially when I'm taking photos and I'm doing photo shoots and video shoots. Like right now, what I'm doing with you guys, it just helps a lot with the camera quality and you taking selfies. So if you want to purchase this, you better off purchasing the Wet n Wild foundation, because this Photo Focus foundation, Wet n Wild, is bomb. Okay, that was number 2. Number 3, my third favorite, is we're gonna focus on body care. Now, I'm a woman that loves to exfoliate at least once or twice a week. I love giving myself many like spa treatments and things like that. So I think it's very important for a woman to just, exfoliate her skin and just keep it soft. And I got this from Victoria's Secret, and this is the Coconut Oil Scrub Down Smoothing Body Scrub by Victoria's Secret. As you can see, it's pink, by the Pink collection, the Pink brand. And this stuff is bomb. I'm gonna tell you why. The pros of it, there are no cons to this. So the pros of it, I basically love the smell, first of all. Secondly, it really gives you that it gives me like a really, soft and like smooth skin, especially when I get out of the shower. I love the fact that I can exfoliate my entire body with this, and I just rinse off. And once I'm rinsed off, it is amazing, the after effect of it after using it. I still smell like cocoa oil after I get out of the shower, after I dry during the day. And you know how some scrubs, you can't actually smell it when you come out of the shower instantly. You dry up and get dressed and everything. We girls, we know what we do when we get out of the shower. This stuff is 100% effective on your skin. If you have sensitive skin or anything, I wouldn't recommend using this. I have sensitive skin, but my skin can really take it. I've not broken out at all. I love this stuff. I love it. It's my baby. I literally have 3 of these. It was like $6.95 a piece. So I really, really, really enjoy using this. It's my baby. I love it. It gives me really healthy, soft, smooth skin. I like to just exfoliate, take it, and just rinse it off. It's great. For like the dry, rough areas, it's great for your legs. If you want to use it after you shave, you can. But this is my baby. I've been using this since about, I wouldn't say like since the fall. I would say I've been using this for like months. And you know how Victoria's Secret is, they have like different body scrubs, but I love coconut oil anyway, and this stuff is just straight bomb, and I love it so much. It's my favorite. Number 4, we're going to focus on the eye makeup. So basically, I'm getting really good at my lash game, for real. I got these on now, but these are my Ardell Wispies. This is the original feathered lash with Invisiband. It's 5 pairs. This was about, I think, $7 at Target. I love these lashes because it has that lash band where I could just instantly apply with my tweezers and then just be done. I love these lashes. Only love these lashes, as you guys can see, because they are just bomb and they are just extremely like natural. They are great if you're doing like a wing liner, like something like this, like something sharp. It is so freaking bomb. It goes with everything. I love these lashes. I love the company itself. As you guys know on Instagram, I tag them a lot. I like them because I love that the lash band is thick. And you know how sometimes you get lashes and you don't have that good lash band. That thick lash band is just a regular light. It's like the lash is too light. That's how Elf is. Like Elf, I like Elf too, but their lashes to me are just way too thin, and it's like you can't even tell you have it. I like these because they have style, and you know, it's just awesome. It's just awesome. Like I really just love these lashes. As you guys can see, they are like so freaking pretty. These are my favorite. I've been using this brand Ardell for like years, and it's just so freaking bomb. So last but not least, my last favorite is LA Girl. So LA Girl has, as you guys know, as you saw in my video, they sent me some products, and LA Girl Volumatic Full On Volumizing Lash Lifting Mascara. And this stuff is really freaking bomb. I love this I almost said foundation. I love this mascara only because I like this mascara because it literally just lifts up your natural lashes, and I love applying this before I apply my lashes, and it just makes it even more dramatic. So I like how it gives my lashes like that volume. Even if you got like thin natural lashes, these will bring out your lashes. I love this, and I think they really did a good job with this because I like the wand. The wand is just so simple and it's not heavy. You know how some mascara wands, they be too heavy and it's like you can barely apply the mascara to your natural lashes. That's not with this. So I love this wand and how the packaging is good, and it's just my favorite. It's for every day, and I like it, and I love it. So that's all today, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed my video. I really wanted to just stay consistent, you know, with these videos. I just giving y'all these videos, you know, more and more and more. And that's pretty much it. I hope you guys had a great holiday recently. I was gonna do a makeup tutorial, but I'm not totally sure yet because I'm trying to still have like creative ideas about my makeup. So if you guys have any requests, make sure you leave them down below, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.